What's up guys, Rob here from FLX Bike with another Babymaker production update inside the factory where the Babymakers are made. Before I show you what's going on there, please take 1 second to hit that subscribe button so we can make more of these videos for you and so you'll get them first. All right, let's get right into it. Take a look, this is a cool jig here. He's installing nuts on those posts there. The chainring spider and crank are placed on top of that. And then the chainring itself, this is for the Pro model. You can see the teeth for a belt there. It's clamped in and the screws are installed. That's just to ensure everything is exactly where it needs to be, and this can be done in an efficient manner because there are a lot of bikes to build. Next, that whole assembly is flipped over and the disc for the cadence sensor is press fit onto that middle axle. Now this is really useful because the bike needs to know when you're pedaling. So it's sensing when those move and it decides, okay, he's trying to pedal, let's give him some pedal assist. Enough chain rings, this is the factory floor and probably what you really came to see here. Look at all those beautiful Babymakers. And a bit of a note here, if you look at the handlebars and brakes between these bikes, you'll see they're at different angles. That's because they're just temporarily mounted there, not even tightened all the way. When they get assembled, both the handlebars and the brake levers of the Pro model will be taken off to protect them in shipping. If you look at the bikes, you'll see tags on those. Those are the inspection sheets. So we do have QC personnel on the ground there inspecting every single bike. They need to be up to spec or they will not be sent. If anything is found to be out of spec on the bikes, it is tagged off and a tech will go through the bike and make sure everything is adjusted properly. If there's any noises, anything like that, a squeak from the brakes, that bike is tagged. A tech will need to go over it before it gets the okay for shipment. So you see a bit of that going on here and just more beautiful bikes. The bikes that are checked off are moved to an area for pre-packaging where the foam is applied and they get ready to go into a box. So this is the shake test or the drop test, looking for any weird noises. If anything sounds out of place, it needs to be inspected. And in back here, the shipping area, you'll see a couple pallets ready to go already. Finally, the front wheel is removed from the bike, the handlebars and brake levers as well. More packaging is applied. It's put into the box with everything it needs, including a bit more packaging, and run through this very cool strapping tape machine. I've always wanted to go through it myself, but it might be kind of painful. So the straps just help keep everything together in the box, protect it a little more during the shipping process from things getting beat up, torn apart. Hopefully that's not gonna happen though, because it is a very fragile fish tank. The boxes are then stacked here on top of the pallet and that will later be loaded into the shipping container. All right guys, that's it for today's production update. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. That way when all these beautiful Babymakers start to ship, you'll be the first one to see the videos. Of course, like, comment, and we'll see you in the next one.